Will the market go up or down? Should you lock in or float? Find out this and more with Master of the Markets, hosted by Barry Habib of MBS Highway. Brought to you by Paramount Residential Mortgage Group.
In today's mortgage environment, providing our wholesale community with the best combination of product, pricing, technology, and service is paramount to their success. PRMG, built by originators for originators.
Welcome to another edition of Master of the Markets. I'm Barry Habib at MBS Highway, created exclusively for Mortgage News Network, and it's brought to you by our friends at PRMG. They're working for your best interest. Last week, housing. Wow, super strong rebound, but remember, let's temper those expectations. We saw both pending home sales as well as new home sales really do very, very well. So the entire housing market showing resilience and strength. Now, listen, you know we have been about as bullish on housing as anybody. We've gotten it right over the years. I'm starting to worry when people like Diana Olick, who've been so negative for the past 8 years, telling people rent, don't own, starts to get bullish on housing. But here's the thing. While we love the good news, let's remember that this is pulling a little bit of demand forward. It's also some pent-up demand that's been built up because of the lockdown. So it's great to see this. I don't know if this pace of recovery will continue, but there's reason to believe that housing will remain strong. We still have to worry about people that are not employed when PPP money runs out for those receiving it at the end of August. We have to kind of start to see how do their behaviors change. So there's a lot going on as the economy reopens. What's the uptake? Can businesses still remain solid and strong even with a drop in receipts, because maybe you're not at full capacity, and how do we adapt and adjust? So I am optimistic about housing, as we have been, but I'm perhaps just a little bit cautious here going in. I think that we have to discern the difference between housing, the economic driver, we're seeing volume improve, and then there's appreciation levels. Now, housing starts are down because of COVID, inventory's light, people not putting their homes on the market, so we're seeing really good price support, and we have demand on this lower level of inventory. So far, so good. But I think over time, we'll start to see this level off just a little bit. We're a little less sanguine than many people are, saying that housing is going to be rip-roaring into the rest of this year. We think it's going to be good, but perhaps we think that this rush may kind of be something that was more of an immediate response, and then we'll see it kind of taper off just a little bit, but still okay in housing. Now, 2021, 2022, we really see that as really big. Now, we did say that employment was a big factor here, and we're going to get jobs numbers this week. It's already jobs week next week. Oh my gosh. Now, the BLS saying the unemployment rate is going to be 19.8%. But remember, they modeled towards the middle of the month. And in the middle of the month, if you're an MBS Highway subscriber, you know that that was the exact number we told you we were going to be at 2 weeks ago. We told you that that was the unemployment rate. So now the BLS will confirm that for us this Friday, I should say, when they do their next report. Now, meanwhile, when we take a look at initial claims, they have been slowing, but still pretty big numbers of people on unemployment, about 25 million people still continuing to receive unemployment benefits. These are just big numbers. So let's hope it starts to come down and we get to a more manageable level. Hope you guys have a great week ahead. One other thing that's very important, I want you to be on guard, because prices on mortgage-backed securities are really squeezed between their 25 and 50-day moving average. There's going to be a breakout this week. That breakout could be kind of violent. So get ready to protect yourself, or you could be in for a real treat to see if we break out in pricing to the upside further down in low rates from already amazing levels. Stay with us on MBS Highway so you can get it every single day and know in advance what's going on before your competition does. Hope you have a great one. Bye-bye.
PRMG continues to provide our wholesale partners across the nation with better technology, better product, better pricing, and better service. Our nationally recognized brand is more than just an image. It is a symbol of integrity. PRMG, built by originators for originators. Be sure to click on the link below for your free 30-day MBS Highway trial.